If you still make Excel reports manually, you're wasting hours. I'll show you how AI does it for you. Today, I'll show you how to automate Excel summary reports using ChatGPT and Excel. No advanced skills, beginner-friendly. Most people create Excel reports by typing formulas, copying data, and fixing mistakes. This takes too much time, especially for beginners. Instead of doing everything manually, we'll use AI to create a simple monthly summary report automatically. I am an Excel beginner. I have sales data in column A for product names, column B for sales amounts, and column C for months. Create Excel formulas to generate a monthly summary report and total sales for each product. Now copy the formula ChatGPT gives you and paste it into Excel. This formula calculates monthly totals. This one creates a clean summary report. No memorizing formulas. This is how AI saves time and reduces mistakes. When your data changes, Excel updates automatically. Your summary report updates without extra work. You can also ask ChatGPT to explain each formula step by step so you learn while using it. If you want more Excel and AI tutorials for beginners, like this video and subscribe.